This is one of the oldest houses in Huntsville, built in 1872. Back then, this whole area was a sparsely populated mountain valley. Most residents were farming from their tiny log cabins and crude dugouts. So how did Swedish immigrants Lars and Maria Nelson go from that to this? Lars was a tinsmith, making and selling cans to the farmers so they could preserve their food. By the early 1900s, the house was purchased by another Swedish immigrant, Matilda Sprague, who everyone called Aunt Tildy. She converted it into a resort called Valley Hotel. It was the ultimate mountain destination. Guests spent their days in the fresh mountain air and their evening enjoying Aunt Tildy's famous fried chicken, trout, and piping hot biscuits. While guests ate, she would entertain them with stories of her childhood and the early days of Weber County. For over 30 years, Aunt Tildy, her daughter, and then her granddaughter operated Valley House with the same old-fashioned standards. Today, it's still a bed and breakfast, Valley House Inn, offering an experience Aunt Tildy would be proud of.